to n, b raised to n and c raised to n. Here what we have assumed, n is equal to 2. So we have a, b, b, c, c. Now in the Turing machine we are using tape. That is an infinite tape. Okay, you can see here. Now here we have a string a, b, b, c, c, and afterwards when we are not writing anything on the tape, there is a blank symbol on the tape. Now again we are doing one assumption. What? A can be replaced by x, b can be replaced by y, and c can be replaced by z. So whenever we are replacing anything or we are popping any symbol, we are replacing it with x, y, z. So just listen here. First symbol is what? A. When pointer is there, or we can say read write head, which comes to A, what we are going to do? A is marked by x. Here we are doing the comparison. Number of A's are equal to B's, number of B's are equal to C's. Okay. So to check that, now we are replacing A by x. So when I say replace A by x, we mark A by x. Now when we are marking A by x, where to move? Left or right? Right. Okay. So now we are here. Okay. So now here is A. What we are doing? Keep A as it is. We are keeping A as it is. There is a B. When we get first time B, what we are doing? You are replacing B by Y. So now we have replaced B by Y. Okay. Now move to right. When you get B, keep that B as it is. Now move to the right. When you get first time C, what we are doing? We are replacing that C by what? Z. So we are replacing that C by Z. Again, instead of moving to right, what we are doing? Move to the left. Okay. Now here is Z. We have moved to the left. Keep B as it is. Move to the left. Keep Y as it is. Move to the left. Keep A as it is. Move to the left. Keep X as it is. But when our pointer is pointing to this X, what we are going to do? Move to the right. Now we are getting next A. What we are doing? A is replaced by X. So we are replacing A by X. Move to the right. We are getting what? Y. Keep that Y as it is. Move to the right. You are getting second B. We are replacing B by Y. So we replace B by Y. Move to the right. What you have? Z. Keep that Z as it is. Move to the right. You are getting C. Now you are replacing that C with Z. We have replaced C by Z. Now move to the left. You are getting what? Z. Keep that Z as it is. Move to the left. You are getting Y. Keep that Y as it is. You are getting Y. Keep that Y as it is. When you get X, you stop. And what you do? Move to the right. You get Y, move to the right. Now just imagine the state diagram. Okay. Here what we are doing? We are changing the state. Again move to the right. Y is as it is. Move to the right. You keep Z as it is. Move to the right. Keep Z as it is. Now when I move to the right, I am getting what? Blank symbol. When you get blank symbol, your step is what? Move to the left and accept the string. Keep your read write head as it is. Okay?